How to create Khan Academy account. First, open your preferred browser and on the web address bar at the top, type in Khan Academy. And once you type in Khan Academy, press enter on the keyboard. On this result section, click on the first link of Khan Academy. And this official website or web page of Khan Academy opens up. Now click sign up button at top right corner of the screen. On the sign up page, you have to choose for which person you want to join Khan Academy as. So for now, let's click on the learner and enter your date of birth. Once you are done with entering up your credentials, here are the ways to sign up. You can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, and sign up with email. So for now, let's click on sign up with email button at the bottom of the screen. Now the sign up page appears on your screen. Enter your email, first name, last name, and create the password. And it should meet some of the criteria for creation of the password. So let's enter it here. Once you're done with entering up all your credentials required for a sign-up process, click on the Sign Up button at bottom right corner of the screen. Now on this page, you have to choose the grade that you are in. So for now, let's enter it here. Once you have selected the circle, you need to click on the Continue button. And on this section, you need to choose the courses that you want to learn from the Khan Academy. So let's scroll down and here are so many topics. You can easily choose any one that you wish to. Once you are done with check marking the options, click on Continue button at bottom right corner of the screen. And it has been saved, and here you need to select your frequencies, amounts, and many more, and finally you will create account on Khan Academy. So that's it. That's how we easily create the account on Khan Academy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.